You just recorded something, a concert, a birthday, something you can't reshoot. You open the Photos app to watch it back and it just doesn't play. Before you convince yourself that the footage is gone, it almost certainly isn't. iPhone video corruption is actually a very specific, very fixable problem, and this video is going to walk you through why it happens, what actually fixes it, and show the live test of the repair. Also, thanks to Stellar for sponsoring this video, who makes the repair tool that we're going to use. iPhone videos record in MOV format, built around a container structure. Think of the container like a book. The video and audio data are the chapters, and at the very end of the book, there's an index called the MOV atom. That tells any player where everything is and how to read it. That MOV atom only gets written when the recording stops cleanly. If anything interrupts the final write, like your battery dying mid-recording, the phone crashing, the camera app force closing, the index never gets written. The data is there, the book just has no table of contents, so no player can navigate it. That's the most common cause, but it's also not the only one. Transferring a video via USB and unplugging the cable before the transfer finishes produces a partial file with the same problem on the receiving end. Editing a clip in a third-party app that crashes midway during export can also corrupt the header. Even iCloud sync interruptions on a weak connection have been known to leave files in a broken state when they land on another device. The common thread across all of these is that the file looks fine in your storage. The right file size shows up, the thumbnail might even be there, it just refuses to play. Before jumping straight to the repair software, there are 3 quick checks that you can do. The first one is to try a different player. Apple's native Photos app is less forgiving than the VLC. Download VLC for iPhone, it's free, and try opening the file there. VLC can sometimes play partially corrupted files that iOS itself refuses to touch. If it plays in VLC, you can then use VLC's built-in conversion feature on desktop to re-encode it into a clean file. If the video is synced to iCloud before the corruption happened, the cloud copy may be intact. Go to iCloud.com on a browser, navigate to Photos, find the video, and download it directly from there. Sometimes what looks corrupted on the device is a sync error rather than actual file damage. And the last is, if you use iCloud Photos with optimized storage turned on, your iPhone may only hold a compressed preview while the full file lives in the iCloud. The preview getting damaged does not mean that the original file itself is broken. Fetching the full file from iCloud sometimes resolves it. If none of those work, the file has actual structural damage and needs a repair tool. This is where Stellar's online video recovery comes in. And the reason why we're using the online version specifically rather than desktop software is that it's the fastest path for most people. You don't need any downloads or installation, just go to repair.stellarinfo.com, create a free account, and you are there. Your free plan repairs one video file at no cost. The file size limit is up to 100 MBs, which covers a lot of short videos on iPhones. For anything larger, the tool supports files up to 5 GBs on the premium plan. That is around $10 a month or $60 for the year, and lets you repair up to 10 files a month or 200 files in total in the yearly plan. One thing worth knowing about is how it actually works. It uses a sample file. You upload your corrupted video, and then you upload a short healthy clip recorded on the same iPhone. It extracts the structural information from the healthy clip and uses it to reconstruct what is missing. That's why it works where generic format converters don't. After repair, your file is available to download for 24 hours and then automatically deleted from their service. If you're concerned about privacy, that's worth knowing upfront. For the actual test, here's what we're going to do. We have an iPhone MOV file, and look at this. It does not open on my iPhone. I tried VLC too. Actually, I even copied this to my desktop and tried opening it on VLC. Nothing works. So let's see if Stellar can do any magic. So head over to repair.stellarinfo.com and then click repair video. I'm guessing you don't have an account, so click the sign up button below. The rest is easy. Enter your email and desired password. Now click repair video again, and this time a file picker launches. Just select the damaged video and wait for it to upload. In step 2, you need to add a sample video from your phone. If you don't have one ready, just shoot anything random using the same iPhone that was used for shooting the damaged video. Drag and drop it here. After repairing is complete, you can see the preview, plus download the entire file. Okay, let's see if it opens. There, working fine. Sure, the first few milliseconds don't look very good, but look at the rest of the video. Fully repaired to the original 4K resolution. The online tool handles the vast majority of iPhone corruption cases. If you have a file that's over 5 GBs, you can upgrade to the premium plan, just like I had mentioned. Or if the damage is more severe than a header issue, like missing frames, split audio, the desktop alternative Stellar Repair for Video is the step up. It runs on Windows and Mac, handles unlimited file sizes, and unlimited repairs. The link to all of it is in the description as well as in the pinned comment. Definitely check them out. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.